One of the most iconic layouts in the Rpod lineup has been the Rpod 190. What makes it so special and such a long-lasting layout for our brand is what I'm going to point out to you today. And I want to start out right here in the back. You know, we talk a lot about the size of the Rpod and how big does it feel when you're standing by it. And I just want to show you here, the typical width of an RV is 8 feet. Where the width of the Rpod 190, you can see where our wheel wells stick out here. This is still an 8-foot wide unit, okay? This is a question that a lot of people like to have answered. It's 8 feet to the edge of the axle, but the box is only 6.5 feet wide. So if you have a small or medium-sized SUV or a light-duty pickup truck, you never have to worry about having these big extended tow mirrors. You're gonna be able to see right down the side of your Rpod because it's slightly narrower for that aerodynamic shape. What also lends to that aerodynamic shape is the fact that on these classic Rpods, from the bottom of the back here to the bottom of the front is one seamless piece of fiberglass. So there's only one piece of fiberglass. There are no seams in it from the bottom of the back to the bottom of the front. That gives you the peace of mind that you need to camp for seasons and seasons to come. And one more reason why customers love to choose Rpod. Now let me show you a couple other things. You can see this new Rpod 190 dressed in cosmic graphite, feels like a tuxedo going to a ball. You've got these champagne colored hexagons, and let me show you one of the really cool things. We've got our new bronze accent wheels wrapped in Goodyear tires, okay? These Goodyear tires have been a really great addition to us. So keep in mind, this is the only piece of the puzzle that's touching the road. That's a pretty important piece. And to us, we always want to make sure that we are putting the best products on the ground where the rubber meets the road. And it isn't just the tire. Keep in mind, what's behind there is that torsion axle suspension. So if you're driving and you're pulling your unit and one side hits a pothole, the other side is smoothly connected to the road, and you're only going to find this combination on the Rpod lineup. And I just want you to point out those those upgraded features. So you'll see we've got our great exterior fender here that delivers Rpod on that iconic shape. But let me show you inside. I think you're going to be excited about what we have to show you. You've seen the 190 in the past, but this year, our new cosmic graphite interior really dresses things up. You've got this great dinette in the rear of the 190. Now we covered it in this beautiful butcher block style material with the live edge. It really helps us bring the outside inside. The rear of the 190, you've got 3 windows back here to really bring the the camp setting inside the coach, but just a great place to hang out after a day of adventure. Of course, all of our entertainment systems operate on 12 volts, so you don't have to be plugged into the grid to use them. Everything inside is LED, and now all of our products come standard with solar, okay? This is something you're gonna be seeing more of, but it's important for us that you're comfortable even when you're not plugged in. So this 190, all of our fiberglass skin units have a 110 watt solar panel, the flexible solar panel, coupled with a 2,000 watt inverter and a 30 amp charge controller. So that allows you to trickle charge your battery while you're going down the road and never have to worry about running out of juice wherever you go. So the kitchen in the 190 is something that we really hang our hat on, and I want to explain to you why. This kitchen is actually built into a slide out, okay? This is an 18-inch deep slide out, and you can see the edge of the slide out here, but having these components inside the slide out really open up the unit. So for a trailer that's under 3,500 or right around 3,500 pounds, to have something that feels this open but yet so compact is very unique. This does feature our 5 cubic foot refrigerator, the 2-burner recessed cooktop, our convection microwave system, of course the deep bowl sink, all standard equipment. But this year in the 2023 appointment with the butcher block countertop and our rich looking cosmic graphite, we think you're gonna love it. So if you wanna check out more about this 190 or any of our cosmic graphite units for 2023, Visit forestdrivrink.com or ask your local dealer for more details.